Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Wancle Burr coffee grinder represents a focused approach to home coffee preparation for those who want to move beyond the limitations of pre-ground beans or basic blade grinders. At its core, this machine is a flat burr grinder, which is a significant distinction in the world of coffee equipment. Unlike blade grinders that essentially chop coffee beans into uneven fragments using high-speed rotation, a burr grinder like this one crushes the beans between two abrasive surfaces. This specific model features 28 distinct grind settings, which is a considerable range for a device at this price point. It aims to provide a consistent particle size, which is the most critical factor in achieving a balanced extraction and a better tasting cup of coffee. When coffee is ground uniformly, the water can flow through the grounds at an even rate, ensuring that you do not end up with some particles being over-extracted and bitter while others are under-extracted and sour. This consistency is exactly what the flat burr system is designed to achieve, making it a foundational tool for anyone looking to improve their morning routine. Moving on to the physical aspects of the machine, the design philosophy seems to prioritize a small footprint. In many modern kitchens, counter space is a valuable commodity, and this grinder is built to be compact and space-saving. It has a relatively small profile that allows it to tuck away under cabinets or sit neatly alongside a coffee maker without dominating the area. The construction primarily utilizes durable plastics, which helps keep the weight down and the cost accessible. The bean hopper sits at the top and is designed to hold enough beans for several servings, while the grounds container at the bottom is transparent, allowing for a quick visual check on how much coffee has been processed. One of the more practical design choices is the emphasis on ease of cleaning. Coffee oils and fine dust can build up over time, which eventually affects the flavor of the brew, as those oils can turn rancid. This unit is designed with removable components, including the upper burr, which makes it easier to brush out old grounds and maintain the longevity of the motor and the sharpness of the burrs. Keeping a grinder clean is often the most overlooked part of coffee maintenance, and having a design that simplifies this task is a major benefit for daily users. When it comes to performance, the primary value of the Wancle grinder lies in its versatility and the mechanical advantage of the flat burr system. The 28 precision grind settings allow users to fine-tune their coffee for various brewing methods. For example, a fine setting is necessary for espresso machines to create the required pressure, while a medium setting is ideal for standard drip coffee makers or pour-over setups. On the coarser end of the spectrum, the grinder can produce the larger particles needed for a French press or cold brew, where a long steeping time requires a slower extraction rate. The ability to switch between these settings with a simple adjustment ring means a single machine can serve a household with diverse coffee preferences. Another functional feature is the cup selector, which ranges from 2 to 12 cups. This is essentially a timer-based system that allows the user to grind only what is needed for a specific batch. By grinding on demand, the coffee retains more of its volatile aromatic compounds, which are often lost within minutes of the bean being broken open. While it is an entry-level machine, the consistency provided by the flat burrs is a notable step up from the dusty, uneven results often seen with cheaper blade alternatives. It is important to note that while it offers many settings, the motor and burr set are optimized for home use rather than high-volume commercial environments. This means it is perfect for a few pots a day, but it is not intended to run continuously for hours on end. This grinder is best suited for the home coffee enthusiast who is starting to explore different brewing techniques. It is an ideal choice for someone who wants the benefits of freshly ground coffee without the substantial financial investment required for high-end professional grinders. Because of its compact size, it is also a strong candidate for people living in apartments, students in dorm rooms, or even as a secondary grinder for a vacation home. It appeals to those who value simplicity and ease of use over complex digital interfaces. The straightforward dial and button operation make it accessible for anyone regardless of their technical knowledge of coffee. It bridges the gap between the most basic tools and the specialized equipment used by baristas, making it a functional addition to a standard kitchen setup. If you are someone who has been buying pre-ground coffee from the grocery store, this machine offers a way to unlock much deeper flavors and aromas by allowing you to buy whole beans and process them right before brewing. In summary, the Wancle Burr coffee grinder offers a practical balance of functionality and affordability. It provides the essential features needed to improve the quality of home-brewed coffee, specifically through its 28 grind settings and flat burr mechanism. While it may not have the heavy-duty metal construction or the extreme precision of machines costing several times more, it performs its primary task effectively for the average consumer. At a price point of approximately $27 at the time of writing, it represents a low-risk investment for those looking to elevate their daily coffee ritual. It is a tool designed for convenience and consistency, focusing on the core requirements of the home brewer while maintaining a small and manageable form factor. This makes it a solid entry point for anyone wanting to take their first step into the world of specialty coffee without overcomplicating the process or breaking the budget. By focusing on the fundamentals of grind uniformity and ease of maintenance, it serves as a reliable workhorse for the everyday coffee drinker. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.